It's love.
And laughs.
And a little bit of chaos. And today,
We got food.
Yeah, well, snacks.
Snacks.
And today we're gonna be playing the silent snack mukbang. Basically, we gotta try to open these snacks and eat them without making a noise. If one of us making a noise, that we gonna. Yeah, basically, I'm gonna snatch her. She make noise. She gonna snatch me mad if I make noise. So.
Yeah, and we eat dang near everything that each other got.
I picked out her snack, she picked out mine, knowing what we were gonna eat. So like, it's really so I want to eat.
But
So
I feel like really hungry, so I just might snatch this stuff and eat it too. Who
So
knows?
hopefully we can open it and be able to eat these snacks. You ready? Rock, paper, scissors, go first. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Ah. I go first. You go
Yes.
first. Alright, you ready?
Turn my chest so I can get my snack inside.
Alright. Oh, let me start,
Put
baby.
that scripture in there.
Oh my gosh.
Food, food, food. Ooh. Good idea, girl.
Real quiet. Well, we probably should have separated it to her our stuff, but it's okay. It can't make a loud noise, y'all, so I gotta go really slow. I can't even put my hand on the Bible.
Though she's the nose.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna go.
So I can talk though, so that's great. How you doing? No, you saw it. It's your challenge, not me.
They gotta be able to hear me. I ain't making noise!
She did this.
Go ahead. I ain't making noise. Did y'all hear it?
She made a noise, I promise y'all.
Drop a comment in the comments if y'all heard that.
I'm a bit thirsty. I didn't go anywhere.
You heard it. Alright.
I don't think we would have liked this. I didn't even get to drink anything.
I'm scared. I
I should get some nuts.
might sit these down because I sound like that's gonna be noisy. Yeah, I can hear that. Oh, okay. Okay, come on. Oh my God, I really wanted that. You can grab it.
I want to go for the most noises. I don't think we're eating today.
But ain't nothing.
You know, Jerry, when I make noise.
It's a girl. Bless you. Bless you. Damn. Damn.
Bless you. Bless you. Just leave it.
I didn't even touch it yet.
Got the village down.
No, that ain't fair. It's leak. This stuff is back leaning on everything. I didn't even you
We
can
just
grab
go
it
straight
yet.
on it.
Oh, I didn't get to grab it. Yeah, because I couldn't grab it.
Yeah.
Cool. This probably the hardest to open this damn lid.
Because it makes so much noise automatically. Why did we choose all the hard stuff?
I really want them chocolate things too.
Unfortunately, them ways now. Thanks. She's so scared. Just me trying to work so I can see what not to do in the open mind.
There's no way I can open this. Like,
Figure it out. I mean, I can cheat a little bit and I can take the plastic off for you and open the rest.
no, we can't do that.
Oh. Trying to be supportive. She barely noise, y'all. I don't know if y'all caught it, but she did an actual man noise.
Go ahead.
Hopefully she's as nice to me as I was to her. It's not gonna get me.
Woo!
No, I think I got extra.
Why would you weigh this down?
Oh, it fell. You knocked it down.
Oh, I'm about to say she cheated on me, ain't she? Oh, let me quite say it here. Damn, we gotta drink plain water. That was over there. I don't even got no plastic in there. That was it. Look. Let's move our
I
stuff.
was supposed to make a sound.
It was that window.
I'm gonna let you try it again.
It was
I
right.
think you cheated.
No, look, this is the box.
It don't matter.
This is
It was silence.
okay. She
I'm not kidding. You
Come
said
on.
no sounds.
opening the one you trying to
Open
open.
It's strict over here.
Open what's laying there.
What's in the bag anyway? So it's not like it's really important.
Well, I gotta figure out how to open the box first. I don't put the bag in the box. It's not opening. If you go too slow, it's not gonna open it all. I want them. I'm about to knock all this over. How about that? No.
Stressed.
That's yours, so you might as well go ahead.
I'm so stressed. I'm just gonna be hungry. I think that might be a mistake. No problem.
I don't know if my set was
We gotta bring regular water.
I can't open your bootleg straws.
Sure, you can.
I can try.
Guess I'll do this. Put that down.
It was stuck to the table.
Put it back down. You can try to drink your water. Oh, you make noise. want to. Oh, I gotta open my own. I want yours. Go ahead.
You guys. Look like we're just not gonna have anything. Oh, whoops, suck it, trying to take it too. Dang, all these snacks and we can't eat nothing. Oh, damn. If you made this far in the video, make sure you
Like,
subscribe and
comment, and if you be like, if you want to be nice, comment, feed her, feed the hungry. Hungry.
I mean, not either.
I'm just so hungry. Anyways,
Yep. If you make this far, make sure you subscribe, comment, and turn that post notification bell so that when we post, you will know. You right there. Yeah, you. Yeah. We'll see y'all in the next video. We out.
Peace.